You're doing all the right things, eating healthy, taking supplements, maybe even going to therapy. But what if I told you that none of it will truly work if your body is stuck in a constant state of stress? When you're stressed, your body goes into fight or flight mode. This ancient survival mechanism floods your body with adrenaline and cortisol, preparing you to face danger. It's great for escaping a bear, but not so great for digestion, detoxification, or healing a leaky gut. Here's the thing. Your body can't survive and repair at the same time. So when stress takes the wheel, your healing systems, including immune system repair, hormone balance, and even nutrient absorption, get shoved into the back seat. In survival mode, your body prioritizes short-term survival over long-term wellness. If your stress isn't temporary, your symptoms won't be either because chronic stress keeps your nervous system locked in a sympathetic state. This means that your body stays inflamed and you continue to feel wired but tired, anxious, and bloated. Your sleep remains shallow, your gut continues to be sluggish, and your brain fog won't dissipate. Your parasympathetic nervous system is your rest and repair mode. This is where the real healing happens. Your digestion starts to improve, your hormones stabilize, and your immune system strengthens. Breathing deeply, meditating, and spending time in nature all help shift your body into a state where it can finally do the job it was made to do: heal. You can't supplement or detox your way out of stress. To truly heal, your body needs safety, stillness, and support. So ask yourself, not just what should I take, but how can I help my body feel safe enough to heal? Like and share if this hits home. Follow for more health education that will help you heal from the inside out.